Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Task Scheduler and preparing everything you need. First, run Task Scheduler as your user. This gives you the correct context. Next, choose a trigger, time, at logon, at startup, or an event ID, because that decides when your job runs. Make sure you have the program path, any arguments, the working folder, and whether it needs elevated rights. Once done, you'll be ready to create a basic task and set up the principal information without wasting time on trivial settings. Now you'll create a task and configure the actionable parts. Choose Create Task to access all options, give it a clear name and description, and decide Run whether user is logged on or not. This affects interactivity. Under Actions, point to the executable, include arguments, and set a start in directory so relative paths work. Then, refine conditions and settings. Require AC power, network availability, set retries, and enable time limits. Once configured, double-check triggers and the principal before saving to avoid permission or timing issues. Finish by testing, exporting, and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Run the task manually and then inspect last run result and the History tab to see success or error codes. Export the task to XML for versioning or transport. If you edit XML, validate paths and credentials before importing. If something fails, the most common fix is to adjust the account or grant log on as batch job, enable task history for details, and verify executable paths and required elevation. Make sure to rerun after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.